Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary, proponent. A person who advocates a theory, proposal or course of action, or a person who argues in a favor of something like advocate. A person who speaks publicly in support of a particular idea or plan or action is whom we call it as a proponent. Synonyms: supporter, upholder, advocate, friend, defender, exponent, herald, true believer, protector, spokesperson, apostle, booster. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: opponent, enemy, antagonist, foe, detractor. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: in all debates, the proponent has the right of opening and closing. The proponent has right of opening and closing. Contemporary, present, being or involving the latest methods, concepts, information or styles is what we call it as contemporary. We do have one more meaning: living or occurring at the same time. Living or occurring at the same time, that is also we call it as contemporary. Two meanings are there. One is modern, another one living or occurring at the same time, that is also we call it as contemporary. Synonyms: modern, current, peer, fellow, instant, new fashioned, latest, today, recent, up to date. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: old fashioned, out of date, preceding, succeeding, bygone, forever, ancient, aged. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Ram and Ravi were contemporaries. Even the best one more we can give, saying Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru were contemporaries. So they belong to the same period. That is what we call it as a contemporary. Another one, modern. Clear? Want, boast, to speak proudly about or praise something, especially in a way that is more than acceptable. To express pride in oneself or one's accomplishments is what we call it as a want. Boast about or praise excessively. Praising excessively. Simply we need to say that praising excessively is what we call it as want. Boast, show off, exhibited, exposed, brag, display, glorified, puffed, prided, magnified, maximized. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: criticized, unsung, be modest, deprecate, belittle, regretted, play down, hide, undervalued, concealed. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: China likes to vaunt its military strength, intimidating its neighbors. Clear? Stampede, rush. A large group of animals or people moving together in a quick and a disordered way is what we call it as a stampede. Clear? A large group of animals or people moving together in a quick and disordered way, that is what we call it as stampede. Rush, hurry, chase, run, panic, fling, charge, crash, scattering, smash, tear, outflow, outpouring, torrent. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: retreat, standing, crawl, creep, dawdle, poke, shuffle. All these words can be related to antonyms. The crowd stampeded and many were crushed in a burning hotel. The crowd stampeded and many were crushed in a burning hotel. Concurrently means events or situations happen at the same time. That is what we call it as concurrently. Simultaneously. Synonyms: all at once, all together, coeval, jointly, unitedly, coexisting, so running parallelly. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: imbalanced, asynchronous, historical, non-simultaneous. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, John is eating and dancing concurrently. He is doing concurrently. One more example also can be given. Hema's two dramas are being shown concurrently by rival television stations. That also can be given as one more example. Defile, to damage someone's good name or reputation. That is what we call it as defile. Corrupt, synonyms: degrade, desecrate, pollute, tarnish, molest, debase, smear. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: honor, praise, elevate, purify, cure, esteem, sterilize, sanctify. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the miscreants deliberately defiled all the holy places. So one more example also can be given. It's a shame that such a beautiful area has been defiled by a rubbish dump. It's a shame that such a beautiful area been defiled by a rubbish dump. Covert, hidden, undercover, secret. Hope you remember this word. Undercover operations, espionage, 9th session in English. You just go through that one, you will recollect all those. So undercover operations, many movies came, right? Already we discussed. That is what covert, hidden. Covert, hidden. So activities are secret, hidden. So not openly shown. What are all the synonyms? Undercover, secret, hideout, den, concealed, shelter, private, disguise. All these words can be related to synonyms. Now we have one more meaning. Covert means a group of small trees or bushes very close to each other where animals, birds, people can hide. That is also meaning of a covert. Antonyms: open, known, public, candid, frank, visible. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, he has taken part in a number of military covert operations. He has taken part in a number of covert operations. Behind his soft behavior, he has some covert intentions. Behind his soft behavior, he has some covert intentions. That also can be given as one more example. Verbose, wordy, that means using or containing more words than necessary. Using or containing more words than necessary. So that is what we call it as verbose. Synonyms: gabby, circumlocutory, garrulous, talkative, loquacious, redundant, bombastic, repetitive. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: short, concise, succinct, laconic, brief, compact, terse. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, Mohan's writing is difficult and often verbose. Mohan's writing is difficult and often verbose. Epidemic. So what is epidemic? An outbreak of a contagious disease that spreads rapidly and widely in a community at a particular time. That is what we call it as epidemic. But what is a pandemic? What is the difference between epidemic and pandemic? So it is affecting even the big geographical area. That is what we call it as a pandemic. Are you getting? So epidemic and pandemic is affecting even more geographical area. All pandemic can be epidemic, but all epidemic cannot be pandemic. All pandemic can be epidemic, but all epidemic cannot be pandemic. Clear? So anyhow, what is epidemic? A disease can be declared as epidemic when it spreads over a wide area and many individuals are taken ill at the same time. That is what we call it as epidemic. But if the spread escalates further, an epidemic can become pandemic, which affects even wider geographical area and a significant portion of the population becomes affected. That is what we call it as pandemic. COVID-19 pandemic, coronavirus, right? So synonyms: rampant, outbreak, widespread, rife, contagious, pandemic, explosion, endemic, eruption, all these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: limited, local, slum, doldrums, calm. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, in 1888 there was an epidemic of yellow fever. Poverty in this country has reached epidemic proportions. That one also given as a one more example. Ma clear? Bicker, squabble, argue about petty and trivial matters. Argue about petty and trivial matters. Ma, what is a trivial? Unimportant, silly. Hope you remember, we already discussed trivial, trivial, unimportant, silly. So argue about petty and trivial matters is what we call it as bicker. Synonyms: argue, squabble, quarrel, disagree, altercate, wrangle, hassle. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: agree, get along, accept, consent, concede, conquer, make peace. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, best example, all wife and husbands usually bicker over tiny issues. True na? Me too. Eminently, to a great degree, significantly, so very, that is what we call it as eminently, prominently. Clear? Synonyms: greatly, remarkably, notably, highly, deeply, totally, exceptionally. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: unimportantly, hardly, barely, just, marginally, negligibly, scarcely. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, the movie is eminently worth watching. The movie is eminently worth watching. His family was eminently respectable. His family was eminently respectable. The book is eminently worth reading. The book is eminently worth reading. Congregate, to gather into a large group, to come together in a large group of people or animals. So gather, that is what we call it as congregate. Synonyms: assemble, collect, convene, bunch up, meet, congress, team, rally. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: disperse, scatter, divide, separate, distribute, spread. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example, a crowd congregated around a city hall. Some hundreds of demonstrators congregate at a border point. One more example can be given. Ma, hope you are clear. That's end of today's session. We will meet tomorrow.